Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and this is Miss Catty Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Catty Cat? Say hi. Yeah. Yeah. She's just up purring, but I guess she's not going to talk to us today. Y'all, so I've got a Look Fantastic box. Look Fantastic is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. You get 6 products in here. They guarantee it'll be worth $60, but you only pay $19 a month. Now, if you commit to 12 months, it will go down to $16, but right now this is a $19 box for me. So let's open it up and see what's inside. How do you open it? Oh, here we go. Here's a pull. Can't always do them pulls, y'all. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Beauty box. LF beauty box. Fantastic. This looks fantastic, y'all. Oh, look at it. It's pink and purple and gold. This is adorable. Reusable box. Love that they do reusable boxes, y'all. The only thing is, with me getting so many a month, I do tend to stack up on them. So I send them in giveaways. I give them to my niece. I'll give them as gifts, you know, with stuff inside them. But yes, I absolutely love them. And this one is super cute. Oh, I love the coloring on this one. But they never make it to the trash. Let's see. Sparkle this festive season and have a very Merry Christmas with love from Team Beauty Box. Look fantastic. Look here, we got stuff. Yes, I am a child. We just get stuff. All right, so is there no paperwork? I guess not. All right, let me look it up and see if I can find it online so I can tell you how much these products are worth. Hang on a second. All right, I got it pulled up so I can tell you how much everything is now. So let's just take a look because, oh my goodness, y'all, I can see Elemis. Elemis. All right, so this is the Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. It is worth $12.40. So that is cool. Anna Angie cleanser. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed right now because it's a cleanser. Can't really tell you much about it until you use it. Oh, look, I got a Lottie. A Lottielondon. Do I have this? Hang on. I think I have this. I do have this. So this is the Lottielondon Ombre brush in Haze. I'm not going to open it so I can get this since now I have it. But I'll show you mine. So that's what it looks like. I hope y'all can see it. Oh my goodness, my camera is so far away from me. So here it is. It does have this cute little ombre effect to it. And very cute. Of course, it's a blush. You would blend it out. It wouldn't be like that, but you could use it as an eyeshadow, I think. But it does make a cute little peach blush. Very sweet. I do like this. And actually, this one was given to me from Laura the Bargain Hunter. So if you haven't seen her channel, go check it out. And, ooh, yeah, I've been using it like crazy. Okay, let's see what's next. Y'all, it's a mask. Ooh, y'all, I used to wear these all the time. I've kind of fallen out of the habit of them. But this is a satin sleeping mask by Glov. Sleep like a queen and wake up as a goddess. Look at the elastic. Ooh. And being satin, that won't mess up your hair. Oh. Satin gold eye mask worth $8.30. I have to decide if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to gift it because, like I said, I don't always wear them. But this one is nice. What is this? Spotlight highlighter pencil crayon in pearl. This is Eyeko Spotlight and it is worth $18. I knew I'd seen that label before, I just couldn't get it out. I do love a highlight crayon. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. They're great for right here or right there, you know, or even right here. But yes, very beautiful. Love that. This will get used quickly. Love a good highlighter. I'm such a sparkly girl. Let's see what this is. Hollywood Browzer hair removal and dermaplaning tool. Shapes eyebrows, removes peach fuzz. Okay, so this is kind of, what do you call it, coincidental, because I actually thought about doing that today. I've never done it before, the dermaplaning, where you pretty much you're shaving your face. And I was thinking about doing it. They say it's really healthy for your face. And they said that's why guys have such good skin. It's because they're shaving every day. And it's getting rid of the peach fuzz. It's getting rid of the dead skin. It's letting your face cycle better. So I am thinking about doing that. I just haven't done it yet. It exfoliates. So now I don't have a reason not to, because I got this. This is... Oh, I said the wrong thing. All right, Hollywood Browzer single razor is worth $13. I did say the wrong thing on this one. This Glov eye mask is actually worth $17.36. I just read it the wrong thing. There's 2 gold eye masks on here. So. See if I can get it open. Didn't it? Kind of fancy. Got its own little case. Woo! That looks scary. Very cool. Very neat. If you do decide to shave your face, ladies, don't use a man's razor. Use one of these. They make them different. I don't know what it is about it, but these are supposed to be more gentle and just all around more safe for our skin. I don't know why, but that's just what I have heard, so I thought I'd pass it along. Is this thing supposed to go in here or what? So, there it is in its little case. Very cool. I am nervous and also looking forward to trying this. Does that make sense? Oh, that's me anyway. Like I said, this is worth $13. And this is the other product that I read the price to you. This is a STARSKIN VIP, the Gold Mask Eye, Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Mask. So these are, you know, the masks that go down here. Very cute, and this is what was worth $8.30. Very cool. I love a good eye mask. So that's what I got this month. I thought this was a pretty good box. I mean, the razor, the sleep mask, the eye mask, the highlighter, the Elemis cleanser, and a blush. So I really think, I feel like I got my money out of this one. What do you think? Do you think this was worth it? I want to hear y'all's opinions below. Comment below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, I'd love it if you would press that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press the notification bell. Y'all, hope you enjoy this short video. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.